Hey, it's Mike. And today I'd like to talk about Genesis Healthcare Inc. The stock trades on the NYC on symbol GEN. The stock was down almost 5% down to 57 cents. It did move back up 1 penny up to 59 cents, or actually 2 pennies up to 59 cents. You look over the past 1 month, the stock has been almost cut in half like a lot of the small cap stocks. But it looks like it might be able to start a recovery here, especially if the small cap stocks begin to rally, which I think they're going to happen in April. So we do have a couple more weeks of probably choppy trading. But if you do look over the last year, the stock has been sort of trading in a range between like $1 and about 40 cents. And if you look over the max, the stock has not been doing well at all. So you may be wondering, why am I going to be covering a stock that has been just trending downward for the past 12 or 13 years? And I think there is some potential that Genesis Healthcare, as the sort of pandemic begins to clear, is going to be able to have a little more clarity as where their business model is going. So basically, they're a skilled nursing facility. So as you probably know, if you have any parents or if you know any relatives that are much older, after they stay in the hospital, they usually don't go home. They usually go into some sort of rehabilitation facility or maybe long-term care, or maybe they're just going to end up living in an assisted living facility. And Genesis has 350 locations throughout the United States. They have a lot of different services, whether you need someone who needs to stay there for a couple of weeks or to stay there for a couple of years. Now, I do think there's going to be a lot more demand for skilled nursing facilities. Obviously, baby boomers are getting older, and a lot of them are going to have to end up at a facility, especially since in the United States, we don't have the healthiest diet and exercise regimens. We continue to lag behind other developed countries when it comes to healthy life expectancy. I think healthy life expectancy in the United States now is down to 66 years. So even though the average life expectancy is 79, at the age of the average American at the age of 66 begins to decline in health. And then, a couple of years later, they may need the services of skilled nursing facilities. So that just means a lot more business for Genesis Healthcare. So I do think if you're looking for a stock, I would not put too much money into a company like Genesis Healthcare, but I think there is some potential that their market could grow, and especially now that the pandemic is going to be cleared up, is going to allow this company to be more open to receive more people into their facilities. That's going to help their operations be a lot more smoother. So definitely check out Genesis Healthcare. I would personally, I would wait though until this stock can break $1, because $1 is going to be a huge area of resistance. So when it breaks $1, I think it could have a nice shot up to $2 a share. So that's just the one other thing I want to put in mind. And I think it has a possibility of challenging $1 a share in April, when I do think we'll get a strong rally in the market. So definitely check out Genesis Healthcare. Once again, it trades on the NYC under symbol GEN. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to leave a like and go ahead and subscribe and turn on notifications. I do multiple daily updates on stocks, options, and stock trading strategies. Thanks a lot.